Hi, I'm Claus Andersen, and in this video I'm going to present the Digital Internationalization Tool. I will shortly start by describing the brief idea. I'll tell you about the content and how it works, and finally I'll show you which value it gives the companies. I'm originally a student of the IT University of Copenhagen, and together with Manto, a Copenhagen-based consulting company, we'll build a tool that, except being able to assist companies in internationalizing, also will work as a foundation for your future counseling of the Danish companies who wants to enter a new market. The idea behind the tool is that it should help executives in entering new markets. It should answer important questions as: is my product ready? Is the market I'm entering ready? Did I choose the right strategy? And what is the risk if I fail? The tool itself is basically an online questionnaire, meaning that it's located on a website where everybody can access it. Except from being an online questionnaire, it is also interactive, meaning that the questions are transformed during the process of answering. So, if a user answers this question with a yes, he is going to question 2B. But if he's answering it with a no, he's going to question 1B. The tool is divided into 4 sections. The first section is digital product. This area is about identifying which kind of digital product the user wants to sell. The second part is technological readiness. This is about if there is a match between the product and the target market. It could, for example, be if they are having access to the right devices, if the infrastructure works, or similar. The third is social readiness. That is about the target group and if there's a match between the target group and the product. That could be that there's some mismatch between the culture, for example. The fourth and last area is what I call environmental readiness. Here we are looking into the way the target is entered. That means strategy analysis, and if it fails, which risks do we have? When the user has finished all the questions, he will get a set of feedback. Currently the idea is that it's coming in a PDF document where there's some information given, which of course is dependent on what the user have answered. He will get information on which things that we believe is okay and which things that he should investigate more. Furthermore, he will get the information of the counselor of the given market, so that he easily knows who to contact if you want more information and more counseling. You can find the tool at the web address tool.claus-andersen.com, and you're also very welcome to contact me at mail@clausandersen.com or by phone, which you can find here. Thank you.